Hey guys, this is Naranya and you're watching NQTech. In today's episode, we are going to unbox and review this Rockerz 400 on-ear headphones from Boat. So for the past 1 week, I have been using this as my daily driver and I have came up with some pros and some cons. So first of all, this was launched for ₹1,599 and was offered me for ₹1,399 in Amazon. This is the box itself. And in the front, it has got some basic information like it weighs 120 grams, it is a bass prioritized, and it has a wireless functionality through Bluetooth, which is still 4.0, and I'll come to it later, and also has the branding of Boat and Boat model, that is the Rockerz 400, and also the sign of Karthikeyan. And on the left, we have the package contents, that is the things inside this box, the headphone itself, the USB charging cable, and the audio cable. So there are also few color variants if you want differentiations. So there is a blue one, there is a red one, there is a fluorescent one, and there is a black one. And that's all for this side. And if we turn it back around, we have got other specs, not really, but a few things to know about it. It is a snug fit, and we can control volume and other things like it through the headphone itself. And it is rechargeable, which is very good. And it can be connected with Android, iOS, Windows through Bluetooth, as I said. And it is foldable, which is great. And on the other side, we just have the the logo and plug into Nirvana. So this is nothing but the audio that comes through the headphones when you turn it on. So that's all for the box itself. Now let's get into the unboxing. So when we come to the unboxing, this might look pretty shabby here because you guys actually unboxed it off camera, so please bear with us. So once we open up the box, we have this little package here, so which has the headphone itself and some few other contents. So let's take up the headphone, turn it on, keep it aside, and in this package we have 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, and a USB to micro USB for charging. And let's keep this to a side. And other box content, we have the advertisement card of Boat for other products. Let's keep it aside. And the warranty card, 1 year, I feel so. And this is the user manual. This would be handy for people who really don't understand this review. Just kidding. Okay. So first, when we come to the looks and the placements of other keys and buttons and ports, at the bottom we have the audio jack, which I use the cable for, and we have the micro USB for charging, and we have the tactile buttons, which give a very good feel and satisfactory feel. So we can long press the center button to get it on, and click once the up and down buttons to skip tracks, and long press up button for volume up and down button for volume down. Yeah, now I turned on the Bluetooth in my phone and it just got connected, and these are the two audio things that come when you connect your phone with your Bluetooth headset. So it also has the cushioning in the top and also in the cuffs. So these cushions in the sides and the top give a very good feel when we wear them in the head. So in this place and also in our ears. So from the starting of the video, you may have noticed that this material does not look like leather. Yes, it isn't leather. It is a good snug fit with something different. And when I saw it first from the unboxing, which I did off camera before, I felt very bad with this thing. So after when I was using this for a few days, I get used to it and it's actually good. But it feels pretty hot inside your ears with this material when compared to leather. So these cuffs themselves are little expandable to a particular extent and also foldable inward. So which I feel is very good actually, and also can be folded in very different directions. So if you want to place it in a flat surface, so you can fold it like this and keep it like this. So that's all for the looks. So the most important thing when it comes to a headphone or audio device is the sound quality. So now let's talk about it. This is a bass prioritized headphone, as I already said. So I mostly personally hear more bass sounds. So I feel good with this. But I also tried out some Indian genres which had some light tunes, and this headphone did not do so good in there. And I also felt a lack of fulfillment in that songs. And I also noticed a huge drawback in this, that is the noise leak. It's huge. When I maxed out the volume in this, even it acted like a Bluetooth head speaker, It was so bad. I also noticed another issue with this thing in WhatsApp. So when I received messages in WhatsApp, it was normal. But when I opened the chat and received messages, a hissing sound started and ended the tone. It was very bad, So as I spoke about the audio quality before, now let's talk about the mic. So this mic is pretty good in few scenarios and pretty bad in other scenarios. So let me say the good scenarios first. For your kind information, the audio you are hearing from the unboxing is recorded in this beautiful mic, and it's great for video shoots. And next I will talk about that negative. And that negative is in calls, which is one of the main feature of mics, and this lags in that. I personally got few complaints from the people who I spoke that your audio isn't that good, even though I had a good network connection. Next comes the battery life. So there is a battery life guarantee in the box as 8 hours of playtime, and charging time is 2 hours. And the charging time is actually true, it charges within 2 hours from 0 to 100. And what I feel bad is about the playtime, which is just 6 hours when tested practically with just 80% of volume. So in this part, the conclusion of the video, I would like to compile up all the pros and cons of this headphone I gathered in this whole week which I have been using this headphone as my daily driver. So the pros list goes like this: a good audio quality, a good charging time, and a good fit too, a good connectivity with iOS, with Android and with Windows, a good bass, and a considerable battery life. So now let's talk about the cons, which are the negatives. The first one I feel like saying about the cons is the range and the obstacle problem. So the range is nothing but they have assured 10 meters and it has got almost up to 10 meters, but when I go pretty much range, that is about 2 to 3 meters with some small obstacles like my mom coming through and a door closed, the audio cracks and it feels so awkward. And the next is overlapping of bass over other tunes. Like the topmost tune is overlapped by the bass, so that melodious tunes can be heard to their fullest cuteness. So the next is the thermal problem. So when I say thermal, it is not about the heating up of the headphone, it is heating up my ear. And also because of its small size, even my ear is so small compared to others, it does not fit so good in this particular size of ear. But it feels good, but it does not fit so good. And it also irritates this part of my ear, which is so uncomfortable, so that I take off the headphone off my head. So the final question: does this headphone, the Rockerz 400, worth Rs 1,599? Well, the simple answer is yes, but the complicated answer is if you go into the specs and the feel. So I prefer buying a leather model which is available in other colors like black and red, instead of this particular material which I don't prefer over the leather material. And also the next thing is the size. Hope you get a better size than this, because this is literally so small, though it is an on-ear headphone. It pressurizes my ear like anything. So thanks for watching. That's all for this video. Meet you in the next one. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you don't yet. Thank you.